It's around 100 stalls right here, representing Pakistan cuisine from across the country. It's crowded and it's so many people around in here. It's a huge footfall right in Islamabad to explore and taste the country's best cuisines. Once you try this, you will love every Pakistani dish. This is pink tea, which is more commonly called as Kashmiri chai in Pakistan, and people love it. Standing right here in the center of this food court, I'm going to ask people questions. Questions related to Pakistani food. Which Pakistani cuisine they like the most? Is chai even better than coffee? And if somebody does not like spicy food, do you even trust them? So what do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Corporate employee.
Is actually my vacation.
Life insurance.
I'm a student.
We have coal mines.
Uh-huh. That's a lovely business, I guess.
I am a travel agent. I have business here in Islamabad.
I'm a psychology student, BS psychology.
Ooh, nice. So you know me and my cameraman are going to ask you questions, huh? What is your most favorite Pakistani cuisine?
I love dal chawal.
Dal chawal.
Yeah.
Mostly chicken kadai.
Biryani.
Biryani?
Yeah.
You from KPK and you love biryani.
Mom is from Karachi.
Ah, that's why the roots are coming from Karachi, so she must be making good biryani. Yeah.
One and only Karachi biryani.
Dahi bale is something which I
Dahi
really
bale.
like. Yeah, and chana chaat. Yeah.
Chana chaat as well.
Yes.
Momos.
Momos, it's
GPs.
new thing, no?
Momos, it is a new thing.
Momos, no?
Momos. Momos,
According to you, what is the biggest food fight in Pakistan?
maybe the fast food chain.
Punjabi and Pashtun side.
Pulao versus biryani. Biryani and pulao, because we Islamabadi and Karachi, we have so many fights like about biryani and
It's between
pulao.
Saver in Islamabad and Karachi
Yeah,
biryani.
Karachi biryani.
Right behind me is the Saver food. This is the best pulao in this town. I'm going to ask people, is biryani or pulao better? Let's go. Biryani or pulao?
Biryani.
Always biryani?
I'd prefer pulao.
Pulao.
Biryani.
Always biryani?
Yes, yes.
No pulao?
No, no.
Saver food nahi?
No.
Pulao.
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 Being
Islamabadi.
Islamabad, she's being loyal to her
Yeah.
geographic location. She stays back to the Saver food.
Yes.
I think biryani.
Have you ever tried Karachi biryani?
Yes, I have tried biryani and it was my best experience.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and I really liked it.
Okay.
Biryani, of course.
Biryani.
person.
Have you ever tried Karachi biryani?
Karachi biryani.
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 Biryani?
Yeah.
Have you ever tried Karachi biryani?
Yeah, I went there once, but it was too spicy for me.
Do you trust somebody who does not like spicy food?
Yeah.
I will trust him.
You will trust him.
No, absolutely.
This is some of the spicy examples. Abid Chatkara. You see these spices. And Pakistani love food that has lots of spices in it. Coffee or chai?
Chai.
Chai. Nice.
I think chai.
Absolutely coffee. No question about it.
No question about it.
No,
But
no.
Pakistanis love chai.
No. If you are addicted to coffee, once a coffee person, always a coffee person.
Always a coffee person.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Chai.
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 I think chai.
Is chai really the solution for all the Pakistani problems?
Hopefully.
Not really. I think it's a mindset, I guess.
Kind of. It depends on how you take it.
Uh-huh.
If you take it sweet, I'd say it's the solution.
Not really. I even don't drink chai, but if I talk about my parents, yeah.
Your parents have something in between.
Yeah.
They go
yeah,
over
yeah.
the table of chai and then
Yeah, chai.
the solution comes in.
Yeah, of course, because we replace it with the cigarette, tobacco type thing.
Tobacco type thing.
Yeah.
It is addictive, right?
Yeah, addictive.
Yeah, I guess so.
Uh-huh.
Because whenever my mother is sick, she always drinks it.
Drinks
and
chai.
then she's alright.
No medicine needed?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yes, it is. It reduces stress.
Yeah, it reduces the stress as well.
चाह नहीं है तो चाय नहीं है तो चाह नहीं है चाह नहीं है
It means if you don't have love in, you won't have chai.
yes
What is the most overrated Pakistani food?
Momos.
It's all in our generation. The kids of today, they love momos and this
I know.
fast food thing in
Biryani.
biryani. It's overrated.
I don't get the hype at all.
But all of them are good. It's good for the body, nourishment for body and soul.
So many people say it's a pulao, but they say they used to sell as a biryani, but it's not biryani, it's pulao.
It's not biryani. It's, a
pulao.
different in taste point. of
Saji
view.
maybe.
Saji.
Yep.
It is overrated.
Yeah.
You know, people have different tastes. They have developed. It's possible that you might not like something, but it could be favorite of something. So I won't say that there is. You know, all foods have
Every food has their own
has
taste.
their own taste and their own genre of people who like them.
I guess biryani. also.
Biryani is overrated.
Yeah,
You
I
must be
think so.
Lahori.
No.
No, where do you belong to in Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Islamabad. What is the most underrated food according to you?
Nihari.
Nihari.
Yeah,
If Karachiites are watching it, they will come in and they'll catch up on you.
Lobia ka salan.
We all love it actually. What do you like the most? The food that is cooked by your wife or your mother? That's a tough one.
Yeah. My wife cooks really well, you know, the biryani. My mother really cooks well, you know, the kofta.
My father, Halim. Oh my god.
My wife cooks very good. What is it?
She is right in front of me.
My wife, prepares this Peshawari chicken shinwari and the mutton shinwari very, very, very good.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
What is that one food that you don't like but you pretend to like it?
Korma.
Kurma. You don't like it,
But you have to like it.
you have to like it. What is that one food you love and you pretend you don't like it?
It's barbecue.
Barbecue. You love it, but you
Yeah,
say
and I say I don't like it.
Ah.
I'm not gonna eat it.
is this street food worth the risk?
Oh well, if you want to explore, different tastes at a single place, then I think one can try, just for the purpose
of exploring,
Yeah.
Ah.
So I think it is worth it.
yeah if it's clean
Because in Pakistan we say there is this saying, "Jitna ghaliz utna laziz." Do you agree with that?
no I don't
There should be hygiene and cleanliness in making food.
don't think the street food is any worse than other food
Uh-huh.
they have to take care of the hygiene
Cleanliness and hygiene.
yeah I can have cook also
Thank you so much. Lovely experience. Thank you so much. Lovely
So
experience.
nice of you. Thank you very much.